Okay, for these tile problems, we need to figure out what's changing, right? So the way I do that is I typically color in the previous figure into the next figure and I see what has changed. So if I color these in, these are all part of the figure 2, right? So this is actually figure 2 colored in. So what did they do? They added 1 here and 2 here. So they actually added 3. So now let's try it again over here to make sure that's what they did, right? So I have these. And 4 up here. And this one. Okay, so I colored in figure 3 there, right? The whole figure 3. And what did they do? They added 1 and they added 2 here. So they added 3 again, right? So to draw figure 5, right, which they want us to draw figure 5, figure 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across the bottom, right? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 8 from figure 4. Let's just draw figure 4 first. So I have 3, so this goes up here, and this goes to the end. And then I have this one. So there's figure 4 drawn. So now I have to add 1 here, and I have to add 2 here, right? So there's figure 5. And to go backwards to figure 1, right, I have to take these 2 off and take this one off. So I'm left with this, right? So I'm left with that and that. So there's figure 1, right? Okay, so that's A. Oh no, A is how many tiles are in each figure, right? So in figure 1, well, I guess they want us to start at 1. I'm going to do A down here, right? So I'm going to make a table. Figure, number, and tiles, right? So figure 1 has 5, or figure 1 has 5 tiles. Figure 2 has 8 tiles. Figure 3 has 11. Figure 4 has 14, and figure 5 has 17, right? Because we're adding 3 each time. For B, it says describe how it's changing. How is it changing? Each figure has 3 more tiles, 1 on left and 2 on right. That's what I would say. And for C, it says how many tiles would be in the 6th, right? So in C, the 6th, right, we could just look here. We're adding 3 would be 20. 6 would be 20, right? And then it says how many would be in the 10th. So we can just count, right? We could just keep counting, right? So 7 would have 23, 8 would have 26, 9 would have 29, and 10 would have 32. So 32 tiles, right, for 10 and 20 for 6.